To ensure your Xante X33 continues printing to the best of its ability, it is necessary to replace consumables on an as-needed basis. Using the front panel arrows, move the carriage left toward the center of the print bed. Loosen the 2 screws. Remove the old wiper blade. It is secured in place by 2 small plastic tabs. Clean any excess ink from the wiper blade housing. Insert the new wiper blade. Ensure that the curve of the blade faces away from the plastic tabs in the housing. Insert the wiper blade and housing. Secure the wiper blade with 2 Phillips screws.